Hey, my name is Dallin Broomfield, and I'm the owner here at Iron Horse Garage Door Marketing. This video here is a custom website screencast that you requested through your email. So in this video, I'm going to go over your website and I'm going to leave you with a few tips and tricks that can help you improve your online presence and overall just generate more traffic, leads, and sales through your website. If you could, please give me some feedback on what you thought about this video. But without further ado, the three things that we're going to talk about today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is king. You want to have a lot of content across your website, and there's going to be a few reasons why. One, it's going to let Google know that you are the expert in your field. And then two, it's going to allow you to get in all of the high quality and relevant keywords that these Google users are actually searching for. So looking at some of these keywords, we've got garage door repair, Raleigh. This keyword gets searched 350 times every month, has a keyword difficulty of 22. Garage door replacement, Raleigh, another 80 searches for that, 15 on the keyword difficulty. And this is some of my favorite ones right here. Garage door installation, Raleigh. This keyword gets searched 100 times every month, has a keyword difficulty of 18. So if I wanted to get found for a keyword like garage door installation, Raleigh, what I would do is I would come over here to my website. I would come to this page here because you can typically put replacement and installation keywords together on these pages like this. And I would make sure that that exact match keyword was inside one of my header tags. I put it in one of the header tags. I put it down here in my content a few times, and then I would even save my images as the keyword. So instead of just garage door replacement, add in that Raleigh in the back of it. That's going to tell Google where you are located at. And it's a way to manipulate that algorithm and tell that algorithm that you are doing the services that these Google users are actually searching for. So I did want to show you that there is no garage door installation Raleigh keyword on this page. I would definitely go ahead and update that so that you can get replacement and installation found in the search results. So next up, I'm going to come over to Google. And since you had the replacement page, I'm going to go ahead and just Google garage door replacement Raleigh. We did see this keyword get searched 80 times every month. And so the first few things that you're always going to see pop up is going to be your paid advertising through Google. This is your local service ads, and this is the PPC ads. Both are very effective to get into. I do highly recommend it, running the local service ads. We've seen it be very effective for companies all across the United States here. But to keep everything simple and to stay on the local side of things, this next one down, this is your local map pack. And in my opinion, this is the best place to be in because of the reviews. People trust reviews like their grandma, and so it's good to get a consistent review pattern and be responding to those reviews. Google loves to see that you're interacting with your customers. Another good way to interact with your customers is to be making weekly Google posts and posting about your products and services. But most importantly, and this is my tip number 2, is you want to create citations to your Google My Business profile. So citations are simply just online directories. Anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to create that citation for you. And the more of them you have, the more authority and rank that you're going to have in the local maps here. And then finally, the next one down, this is your organic traffic. This is where your website would go. And when we're talking about Google, Google is just a big popularity contest. And so the more relevant backlinks that you have linking back to your website are basically just these other websites that are raising their hand and saying, hey, this guy is trusted and authoritative and deserves to be up at the top of Google. So my tip 3 is more backlinks to the website. So this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs. It is just a tool, not 100% correct all the time, but we can see you have a domain rating of 0. Your website looks fairly new, right around March here. You got 21 backlinks. You're getting found for 37 keywords, but you have no people traveling to your website. Looking at your keywords here, like OnTrack garage door, this is one of your branded keywords, still sitting on position 41 for that. Garage door panel repair Raleigh. This keyword gets searched 20 times every month, but sitting back on position 43. Garage door repair, 400 search for that, but sitting back on 66 there. So no traffic coming into the website. Lastly, this is looking at one of your competitors. This was garagedoorspecialist.net. We can see they have been around for quite a while here. They've got a 15 on the domain authority, 1,400 backlinks, 1,200 keywords here. So we're going to look at their keywords on this main page just so we can see what type of traffic they're getting. So garage door repair Raleigh, there's that keyword again. It looks like they got 51 people coming in on that one, 44 people there. Installation, garage door installation, another 15 there. Garage door replacement, another 10 there. Garage doors, another 10. So you can see how well and effective this works for garage door companies. So again, the 3 things: content. You want to make sure that you're using those exact match keywords inside your content. You want two is the citations. Anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed, it's going to create that citation for you. And then lastly, three is more backlinks to the website to help you get found for those keywords. I hope you found valuable information in this video, and I look forward to getting some feedback from you on what you thought. Thank you. Take care.